Good morning everyone. How are you all? Fine? Okay. So today is which day? Friday. And Friday we used to do art and craft class. Okay. So let's start with the date today. What is today's date? Today is 31st July 2020. Today is the last day of July. Okay. And what are we going to make? We are going to make a paper boat. What? We are going to make a paper boat. See my boats? Are you liking them? Yes? So let's know how to make a paper boat. Okay? So for this you can use a colorful paper, or if you don't have this you can use a newspaper also. Okay? Any of the paper will do. Okay? The paper should be of a rectangle shape. Okay? So see how I am making it. First of all, what you have to do, you have to fold your paper like this nicely. Okay? And then again you have to fold it like this. Okay, now you will get a center line here. Now from here what you will do, you hold this corner and then you have to come to this line here like this. Okay, again from the other side also you have to do the same thing. Okay, so you will get a triangle like this. Okay, now what will you do? Keep your boat like this and then hold it, this paper like this, and then fold it. Okay, now turn it. You can see these two corners coming out from the triangle. You have to fold it from here and from here. Okay, now the same thing you have to do this side also. You have to hold this paper from here and then fold it like this. Alright, and again turn it. These two corners you have to fold again from this side also. Like this. Okay, now you will get a triangle. You will get a triangle. Now what you have to do, you have to hold it from the center like this and then open it. Okay, isn't it looking like a cap? Yes. So what you have to do from here, hold it like this and then stretch it a little and then fold it and press it again. Press it nicely. Okay, so you will get a triangle, you will get a kite shape here. Now what you have to do, hold it from here. Okay, and then you have to hold it from this side and fold it. Okay, now you have to just flip it, and from this side also you have to do the same, fold it. Okay, again you will get a triangle. And now what you have to do, you have to hold it from here and open it. Open. After this you have to join this corner to this corner. Okay, like this. Alright, again you will get a smaller kite. Now what you have to do, hold it from this corner and fold it nicely. From the other side also you have to do the same. Okay, now open it like this. You will get a smaller kite. Now hold it from the both side and open your boat. Okay, so we get our boat, yellow color boat. Okay, now see, This is your boat. Okay. Now I am going to make it again with the newspaper. Okay. I am keeping it here. I will again, now this time I am using newspaper. What I have done, I have taken an advertisement sheet. Okay. Now again keep it on the table and again fold it. Then again one more fold. You will get a center line. Okay. So fold it from here and fold it like this. From the other side also fold it like this, and the other side also you have to do the same. Now what will you do? Keep it like this and then open one of the side and fold it. Now turn it and these corners you will fold. We'll fold these corners and we'll do the same thing from this side also. We have to fold it like this and again turn it and fold it this way. Okay. Now fold it nicely, press it nicely. Okay. Now open it and join these two corners this way. Again you have to fold it from here like this, and the other side also you will do the same. Okay. Now what will we do? We'll open it from here and we have to join these two corners nicely, and what will we do? We will open it like this and we'll get a paper boat. So I hope you like these boats and you are going to make it. Now what you have to do, in your this book, what will you do? You will put today's date here. What is today's date? Today is 31st July 2020. CW, and which day is today? Friday. What are we making? We are making a paper boat. Now what will we do? We'll stick our boat here. Okay. And after sticking, what we can do? Take crayon and then give a blue color wave. Give blue color waves. If you want two boats, you can make two boats also, and then you can stick it here. Alright. So babies, this is all for today. I hope you are going to make these boats at home. Okay, so that's all for today. Have a nice day.